Has your home loan been pre-approved? Did you know that your bank still has the right to decline your application? And sometimes they do. We'll show you how banks work and what you can do to protect yourself from having your loan declined. Meet Jack. Jack has just won an auction and has paid a deposit for his dream home. Unfortunately for Jack, his bank doesn't accept the property and they turn around and decline his loan. Jack is now in a mad rush to find another lender to approve his loan before he loses his deposit. Doesn't sound fun, does it? So what actually is a pre-approval? Pre-approval is an indication from a lender that they're willing to approve your loan as long as the property that you buy is acceptable and that your situation hasn't changed. Did you know that in many cases, a pre-approval is not fully assessed by the lender? Often it hasn't even been to their credit department or to their mortgage insurer. This is why on-the-spot pre-approvals aren't worth the paper that they're written on. Unfortunately for Jack, the lender is under no obligation to formally approve his loan now that he's found a property. So now what happens to Jack now that he's won an auction and his loan has been declined? Well, if Jack doesn't do something quickly, he may lose his deposit and he can even be sued by the seller. So how could Jack have protected himself? The key is to find out how your application has been assessed. Ask your lender, has my loan been approved by the credit department? If it hasn't, then ask them to actually look at your application properly. Before you make an offer on a property, double check with your lender or mortgage broker. They can check if the property that you're interested in meets the bank's lending policy. And finally, don't quit your job or take out a giant car loan after you've been pre-approved. If your situation changes, the pre-approval is no longer valid. Got that? Great. Also, if you waive your calling off period or if you buy at auction, then you're taking a risk. There's no backing out. It's not a good idea to buy at auction unless you're in a strong financial position and you have a big deposit. By following these steps and asking the right questions, you can avoid being in the same situation as Jack. This time, Jack got lucky. He called the home loan experts and we were able to find him a lender that would approve his loan. Congratulations, Jack. Do you want to build your dream home? We'll walk you through what you need to know about construction loans. But first, meet Phil. Phil wants to get a mortgage in order to build his own home. Little does Phil know that he's in for a rough time. On one side, there's the banking industry. It has lots of regulations